My people, I greet you all. Please, um, I'm here because of what you are seeing on this my video about Reno omokri. You know, Reno omokri is the man I respect so much. But sometime when you see something, you have to say it the way it is. The problem of Africa, especially we Nigerians, is that we are too emotional. So once someone is saying something that is okay for you, you will celebrate the person without you doing your findings to know what really happened. We believe in, once someone is saying something that, I think what this person is saying is okay for me. No, okay, I'll accept it. Whether the person is saying the right thing on the or the wrong thing, a lot of us don't care to know, and that is what is killing us in Nigeria. You can read or you can go to his handle and read what he posted there about what happened in Onitsha. Listen, Reno is comparing the Bora somewhere with the notorious criminals. If you want to know more, go to Onitsha and ask for a Kanda boys. I think they will explain to you better. In as much as I don't support jungle justice, but not until all these people get to you one day. Then you will decide if you support jungle justice or not. Because when you see yourself on the point of maybe your life is at 50-50, then you will understand what people are going through. These people can choke you anything, correct everything that belongs to you. If you even mess up, they feel for you. Ha nwee ike ịma gị ma mma ma ọ daga ma ọ gbanyekwuru gị egbe n'enu ya. I think one of them nọ na prison now. One of them is in prison, and the remaining ones are still terrorizing Onitsha metropolis. And when this thing happened again, my people came against them and knocked them down, and Oga Kosiga, ebe anyị fụrụ m, ana m ekwu ka obi si wee ka o si dị m n'obi, because mbọsị ị ga-eme ndị ohi kaụnta ka ị ga-aghọta ife a na-ekwu. Ị gaghị aghọta ya today. Ịghọtago ebe ịfụ m, I don't have any mercy for onye ọbụla bụ onye oshi. Ịghọtago na, because you have never encountered them. Ịghọtago. So let Reno omokri verify his fact or whatever he's saying, because man, I don't want to say something about this because of how I see you, but you comparing Deborah Samuel with all these people, you get as a be now. Deborah is never a criminal. He's never a criminal. Deborah died out of religious belief because of what you people call the blasphemy. That is why I say that I'm scared of religion. Religion is number one thing I'm afraid of in this planet Earth. Because someone can use because of religion and buy somebody. unnecessarily without any tangible reason, without any evidence say, oh, this person that committed this thing, this is the the result or whatever. You understand? How can you go solo? You are even calling Peter Obi that is crying for another person, but something is happening in his state, calling Obi Ezekwesili and so on and so forth. Are you calling them for to do waiting? Is Peter Obi or Obi Ezekwesili the governor of Anambra State? Or this thing in Melena? Did you hear that these two guys are just walking freely? Or on the process of argument, like what happened with Deborah Samuel, and people started attacking them? Or are you telling us now that Deborah Samuel is also a criminal? I want to know. How can you go so low? I really don't know what is happening. You know our country, we are too emotional. So sometimes you say something that will benefit the other people, and they will start jumping up and down on your comment section and start talking trash without knowing what is going on. Or if you had even that this thing happened to North or Sokoto, Peter Obi would have been crying. Or if this thing had even that this thing happened in Lagos, Peter Obi would have been shedding crocodile tears. For me, I condemn jungle justice. But let's get it clear. It's somehow for you to compare the buy of the ball at Samuel to what happened in Anambra State. This is why I keep on telling people about religion, because without religion, you will not be talking about blasphemy. What is blasphemy? People will be fighting for God. And a lot of you people support that. Where you are living, have anybody died there because of blasphemy? Reno, I'm asking you.